In this video, let's take a quick look at which engines power some well-known commercial and military aircraft. It is important to remember that engine options can vary depending on the aircraft version, operator, production period, and specific configuration. So, in some cases, a smaller variant or a different engine option may be used. The Airbus A320neo can be powered by the Pratt Whitney PW1100G-JM, part of the GTF family, or by the CFM LEAP 1A. The Airbus A220 uses the Pratt Whitney PW1500G, also part of the GTF engine family. The Embraer E-Jets E2 are powered by the Pratt Whitney PW1900G. The Boeing 777X uses the GE9X, one of the largest and most powerful commercial aircraft engines ever developed. The Airbus A319, A320, and A321 from the A320ceo family can use engines such as the IAE V2500 or the CFM 56-5B. The Boeing MD-90 uses the IAE V2500 engine. The Embraer C390 Millennium is powered by the IAE V2500-E5. The McDonnell Douglas DC-1010 used the GECF 66 engine. The Boeing 747-400 could be equipped with the GECF 680C2, depending on the version and operator. The Airbus A300 used engines such as the GECF 6-50 and, in some versions, the CF 6-80C2. The Boeing 767, Airbus A310, and some Airbus A300 variants also use the GECF 6-80C2. The Airbus A330 can be powered by the GECF 6-80E. And finally, the C5M Super Galaxy uses the F138 engine, a military version based on the GECF 6-80C2. These engines represent different generations of aviation technology, from classic wide-body aircraft to modern, efficient commercial jets.